look what has just arrived from Orms. So let's get into it and see what is inside. And we've had superb service from Orms. I only told them yesterday about this. And here we go. It arrived this morning from Cape Town. And so let's see what's inside here. That we don't need. Ta-da! Look at that. And that we don't need. We need this. So, here is a small rig handle for my RS4 gimbal. We don't need that right now. And here is a little small rig cage. We will need that just now. Here's the invoice. We don't need that. And here, ladies and gentlemen, if we can get it out, is the Sony A7 V. I've been looking forward to this for a while. So let's see what it's like. Let's get in there. And how much different is it going to be than my A7 IV? Now, we won't know that today, but all the reports I've seen indicate that it's a real beast. And here it is. Wait for this, people. And here we go. Oh, yes, baby. Look at that. Very similar, I must say, to the A7 IV, which has served me well over the past couple of years. It's been a backup camera to my A1. And this is very special because it's got all that lovely new autofocusing in it, an increased dynamic range. What else has it got? All sorts of wonderful things, a much lower readout speed, sensor readout speed. It's got a full-sized HDMI port, which is really lovely to have. This really nice flippy screen of theirs, which doubles up. You can tilt it like that. And so if you're shooting high, you can do it that way, or low this way. But it also folds out so that if you're shooting vertically, you can do it that way. And that is such a joy, especially when your knees are in the same condition as mine are. Let's get this thing set up, and then either later this afternoon or tomorrow morning, we're going to head out to two places. We're going to have a look at Harold Porter Nature Reserve in Betty's Bay, which is about 40 kilometers from us. Some excellent birds there. Close by are the African penguins. We're going to see how well this thing films. That's the important one. All right, well, we're here at Harold Porter, and I must say, this little Fiscal Flycatcher the camera has picked up its eye at this sort of distance. All right, now we're on dynamic active image stabilizing, and I must say, it's beautifully steady on this little Flycatcher. This camera is truly amazing. Look, as it turns away, it picks up the bird shape, and then it's right on the eye. Aren't they beautiful? And so tiny, tiny little birds. I forget the name of these little flowers, but they grow in these wetland areas here. Absolutely gorgeous. So we got this little insect, whatever it is, in the flower there. And you know, I'm using a 200-600 here. I'm at full zoom. And this thing has picked up that insect in that flower. Now shooting some jackass penguins down at Stony Point, also at Betty's Bay. One of the few penguin colonies that there are in this region. Right, some more penguins. This time there's part of this little colony down here on the side of the beach. Aren't they just gorgeous, comical little creatures? Don't fly so well. Mind you, in the water, it looks like they're flying. They are very endangered, something to be quite concerned about. The popular venue, if you like, for looking at penguins in South Africa is at Boulders Beach, down just outside Cape Town. But I prefer it here, not nearly as many people, and some great sightings to be had of these comical little animals. So let's head home now. Light's getting a little bit flat. I hope you found this useful. For a first day out, I'm blown away by this camera. Certainly we're going to need to make a few tweaks to the settings just to get them in line with my A1, but I'm enjoying it. It is really, really good. So guys, thanks so much for joining us on this one. There will be more, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.